Alright, so from this area, there's this is the bar. Yeah, for the coffee. And then we go here sa Cold Cuts. See? Ayan, no? You see that? Lahat na. Ati, you can get na siguro. And in the breads, see? The breads with the pizza, of course. And then the sauce is here for the pasta. Yeah. See? And then, here naman, another palaman, crib station. Oh.
Ayaw nila magpaano ng 5 to 2 minutes.
Yeah. So, yan, mga, what's this? Mga pasta. Ayan, no? Bake, pasta. Yeah, latik. And then, this area, fruits agad. Yeah. So, this is our first time here at Escolta, Manila Pen Buffet. Ngayon, yung mga inihaw-ihaw. See there, just tell it to the chef para gawan ka. And then here, the same, seafoods area naman here. You see that? Yan, no? There we go, burgers, salad section here. Diba? My favorite forever, Japanese. You see that? My favorite salmon and sashimi tuna. There. On the other side here, tempura. Yeah, see? There. And then, dessert. There we go. Dessert.